right? So let me tell me any email ID, guys. Any email ID, or I can send the email to myself. Okay. Uh, of course, it won't work. IT trainings. Okay, so you can just select send a test email, click OK. Then if you go to the database mail log, you can see okay what is the status of this database mail and all, whether it worked or not. So if it is working, you can see a success message here. It is showing an error. Okay, so you can see here why it was not working and all, what is the problem. Yes, please. Minute, 1 minute. Just a minute, guys. So, right, okay, you can just drag it up. You can see here the mail could not send to the recipient because of the mail server failure. Okay, so cannot send mails to the mail server. The SMTP server requires a secure connection or the client was not authenticated. So the server response. So like this, you are going to get the message, guys. Okay, so this is not working now. Okay, so this is how you can see the database mail logs whether it was succeeded or not. Okay, so like this, you can create multiple alerts, guys. Whatever you want, you can create. If you go to the organization, you can see alerts for a lot of things. Okay, if data file is 90% full, I'll get an alert. If data file is 100% full, 100% full means that is a event alert, guys. Why? Because 100% full means that is an error, right? 100% full means if you are still trying to insert the records, the data file is 100% full, or if the log file is 100% full, if you're still trying to insert the records, you'll get an error. Data file full error you'll get, log file full error you'll get. Okay, so for that you want to send an emails for that errors and all, you can set up. Okay, event alert. So what is the event alert? What is the error number for data file full, guys? Anyone tell me? Data file full. Okay, that is an event alert. See, performance condition alert will tell you one thing: if anything reaches its threshold limit, right? Data file 90% is full, 95% is full, like that is not an error exactly. that is a that is a condition. If it reaches this much value, I have to get an email. Okay, that is a condition. If it reaches this much value, I have to get an email. That much value is can be 80%, can be 85%, 90%, 95%, but event alert means that is an error. So I want to get an error, I mean like email, if my data file is full. Okay, if my data file is full on any of the database, on any of the server, if my data file is full, I want to get an email. So data file full, that is a error, right? SQL Server event alert. So what is the error number, guys? If the data file is full, 1105 is the error number. Okay, so now go to response page, notify operators, email operator, click OK. That's it. This is how we'll configure data file full. Log file full, I'm giving you assignment how to configure log file full error. Just check what is the error number for log file full. Just simply give the error number here and you can configure, go to response page and you can select operators. Okay, so for tomorrow, no, not tomorrow, for Monday. Okay, complete this assignment. Configure. Okay, event alert for log file full, guys. Configure event alert for log file full. Like that, if you know any error numbers, you can configure event alerts. Not only data file full, log file full and all. If you know any error numbers, you can still configure event alerts, guys. Okay, is it clear? Event alerts. Event alerts, when we are going to configure, guys? When we will configure, when we can configure event alerts?
Before occurring, it's a prevention just to stop.
Okay, not before occurring. Event alert means not before occurring. See, 18456 before occurring, how you will get it? While occurring only you will get it, right?
When
Yeah,
incident
yes.
occurs.
Okay, so before occurring means that is a performance condition alert. While occurred, we have to get an email means that is an event alert. Event
Right.
happened. Okay, so that is an event that's happened. So once that is happened, we have to get an email. So event alerts mainly the issue occurs, you will get an email. Okay, that is called your event alert. You can select, you can create event alerts for respect to events and all. If the data file full, log file full, okay, what we can say, login failure, whatever you know. If you know any error numbers, you can simply configure event alerts, guys. Right? So next is performance condition alert. Now performance condition alert. Condition means I don't want to wait till my data file is going to full. I want to get notified before it is going to full. Means if my data file reaches 90 percentage, I want to get an email, and so and so server data file reaches 90 percentage. Like that, the DBA team has to get an email. So here you are giving some value, okay, 90 percentage, 95 percentage. This is not an error, right? This is not an error. You are trying to get notified before it is going to generate the
Happen.
error. Okay, so data file full means it won't suddenly from 0 percentage to 100 percentage, it won't be full, right? It will reach us to 50 percentage of the consumption. It will reach us to 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 98, 99, 100. 100 is a event alert, but I want to get an email that if it reaches 90 percentage, so that it is not an error exactly. That is a condition. Okay, so once it reaches 90 percentage, that condition you can put 80 percentage also. That's your wish. Sir, why 90 percentage? No, you can give your own value. It's not like only 90 percentage you can give. No, that's okay. You can give 85 percentage also. Okay, so value you can give with your own hands. Okay, your own value you can give, right? So that is your performance condition alert. It is not an error, but it is just simply going to alert us if the consumption reaches to 95 percentage or 90 percentage, whatever value you are going to give. That is called performance condition alert. These alerts are very important. Once it reaches 90 percentage, if it sends an email to the DBA team, someone will be there in the DBA team, and they are going to look into it why it reaches 90 percentage, and they are trying to fix that error. I mean, like that issue. That is not an error. That is an issue. Okay, right. So let's go and configure performance condition alert for one file, data file full. Okay, data file not full, data file 90 percentage. 90 percentage. This is a just a name of the alert. You can give any name. Now this is a performance condition alert, right? Done. Now it is asking object. Object means you have to select, okay, the respect to objects and all. Here, let me go and check workload group stats. Counter, these are for only CPU usage, memory usage and all blockings. Chalo, let's go to change the different workloads. Databases, let me go and check databases. Counter, log cache, group dbcc data file size. Okay, done. Instance total underscore total means on all the databases, guys. Okay, underscore total means on all the databases. If you want on a specific database, you can select specific data, but it's not good. If 100 databases are there, you don't create 100 alerts, right, for each database. Select underscore total, it will work on all the databases. Alert counter rises above. You can see here false below becomes equal to rises above. Now tell me what percentage I have to give, guys, here.
90.
90.
95.
My target is 90, right? If you want to give 80%, set it as 80. You will have more time to troubleshoot it. Okay, so we'll set two alerts 90. If sometimes people will ignore, right, because of some other issues and all, people will ignore. I'll create one more alert with 95. So if anyone ignored 90, again at 95 it will alert us. Okay, that's it, guys. This is how we'll configure. Okay, data file reaches 90 percentage alerts and all. Sorry, I have to go to, okay, response page, notify operator, email, so that it has to send an email to the particular recipients and all, right? So this is how we can configure. I want to get an alert if my CPU consumption reaches 90 percentage, if my memory consumption reaches 90 percentage. Okay, right click, new alert, CPU more than 90. Okay, and that is a condition alert, guys. Object is your workload group stats. Under this workload group stats, you can find it out. Counter, okay, you can see here CPU usage percentage, instance internal, okay, internal means the whole instance rises above 90 percentage, okay, and response notify operators, select email operator, click OK. This is how we are going to rise, create CPU more than 90 percentage. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. I'll be back. 2 minutes. Right. Any questions, any doubts, guys?
Sir, do we need to just remember all the codes, error number?
See, if you don't remember, you can Google it, right? Not an issue. But common error numbers, 5 to 10 error numbers, automatically, if you're working, you automatically you will get those errors, right? You can remember those things, not an issue.
Right, sir.
You can Google it. I asked you to find the create an alert for log file full. Just Google it, error for log file full in SQL Server. Right? So if you don't remember, you can Google it, no issues. Any other questions, guys? No questions regarding alerts? Right? Is it clear? Everyone, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So that's it for today. Just want to, okay, discuss these alerts and all. Let me check. Monday, let's go with the upgradation. Okay, chalo. Chalo, then let's discuss upgradation. Are we good, guys? Can we continue till 9 o'clock, or that is fine? Or again from Monday we'll start freshly?
Fine, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, that's it for today. That is all about alerts. Okay, just want to close this, want to complete this topic. Okay, so that is all about the alerts, guys. So Monday onwards we'll start. Okay, what we can say, this one database, not database, sorry, server upgradations. Okay, upgradations. Monday we'll discuss upgradations, how many types of upgradations and all, and we'll discuss migrations also. Today not so many people are there, right? So they are going to miss it. These are very important topics, so that's why I'm just postponing it to Monday. So we'll go for upgradations and migrations. Okay, then after that we'll go for active directory domain setup and all. Then we'll start discussing this HADR concepts: log shipping, mirroring, replication, clustering, always on and all. Okay, so then finally performance tuning, right? This is all about the plan, guys. Okay, that's it for today. Any questions you can ask me, otherwise we'll meet on Monday 7 a.m. Zabbix, Jayesh, I never heard about this Zabbix. Jabber, I heard about it. That's a communication tool, communicator. Zabbix, I never heard about, Jayesh.
In our organization, graphics are used for
Okay,
Linux team also
so
and
monitoring
also
tools, I heard
for
SolarWinds,
other also
SQLite.
sometimes database tool and
Your
others.
voice is too low, Jayesh. Too low.
So sometimes database tools and all Linux team and DB team we are using
Okay,
Zabbix
okay. So
management
might
tools.
be, yeah, might be tools are there, but I don't know. I never heard this Jabix tool. Might be some internal tool, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So any other questions, guys? Right. So try to configure. I just told you, right? Only I'm giving you two assignments, guys. One is okay, log file full. Create an alert for log file full. Okay. Second one is okay. What is the second one, guys? Configure an alert for memory, 90% memory. Okay. So we just configured only for CPU 90%, right? So what you have to do is I'm giving you three assignments. One is create an alert for log file full. Second one is create an alert for memory 90 percentage. Third one is create an alert if blockings. Very easy, guys. You can see here. If you know how to configure alerts for CPU 90 percentage, just now we discussed, you can easily configure alerts for memory 90 percentage. There in the same objects you can find the memory usage. Okay, in the same objects itself you can find the blockings also. Create an alert if blockings are more than 8. Forget about what is blocking and all, no issues. I'll explain again, but you can still create an alert. So for that, no need to know what is meant by blocking and all. We can still create. Blocking means one query is blocked by another query is called blocking. Okay, because of some reasons, one query, one session is blocking another session. You can call it as a blocking. Blockings are not good, which will increase the performance issues and all. Right. So create an alert if blockings are more than 8. Okay, I have to get an email. So configure these three alerts. Hardly, guys, hardly it will take 10 minutes. That's it. It won't take 10. Why? Because I can say it will take 5 minutes, but this is for first time, right? You can see some of the objects and all. You are going to explore the things. So it might take 10 minutes, but believe me, it won't take more than 10 minutes. That's it. Okay. So you have to know what is the error for log file full. Okay. And then uh, you can easily configure the first alert. Right. So that's it for today, guys. We'll meet on Monday at 7 a.m. Huh? Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.